as for EURNZD for our time frame. So while I was busy with gold, suppose I was supposed to enter somewhere here, but you can see I just entered here, and I believe it's still too early to make an entry. So basically, this is what we have here. These are main targeted sell side liquidity. So I believe it's safer to target these lows here. Just target these lows here from the body. So just target somewhere here. Even here, I believe it's more safe to just put it here and put it here, because price most of the time you get to see price having a major retracement after it gets to these bodies, okay, instead of just getting to the spikes. Okay, so if you want some quick returns, just target the body, not the spikes of the candle, because most of the time price will get to retrace after just spiking the body. It will retrace a lot. So this is what we have. If you get to look here, you can see that we have a shift in market structure here, and then we have this liquidity void here, price imbalance that has been created. And then from there you can see we have an order block here. Those who are trading bases, they will say this is a base. So you have a base, you have an order block, depending on which concept. And then at the same time, you can see here we have a fair value gap at this level here. Okay, so this is what I was looking at. So you can see let me just change the color. Let's make it something like this. Let's see. Yeah, so this is what we have here. So if you get to switch to 1 hour time frame, and then you get to look at what we have. I'll remove this. So if you look on 1 hour time frame, let me try to control it a little bit. So if you look at 1 hour time frame, you can see that we have this fair value gap here. Let me indicate that fair value gap. So we have this fair value gap here. These are fair value gap, and then at the same time you can see that we have these green candles here. Okay, these green candles here. So basically this is an order block. Okay, so the order block begins here because this is the same candle. Okay, so two consecutive green candles, basically the same candle. So the order block begins here. Okay, so these an order block at this level here, and then we have this fair value gap here. So if you get to let me try to fix this, see what we can have. So if you get to look, you can see that the so you can see that our price got to this level of our order block. So this was where I was supposed to make my entry. Okay, but what happened as I was because I saw this on trading view, so I came to my MT4 to just do the analysis. So what ended up happening, I ended up looking at gold. Okay, so I ended up looking at gold before I even get here. So there was a little bit delay because I wasn't expecting that price is going to be that quick. Okay, so from here now, from here you can see what price did. Okay, so it took out this high here and it took out this high here. So once we get to see price take out this low here, so what you're gonna have here, so you're gonna have buy side liquidity, shift in market structure. Okay, so basically from this time frame of 1 hour, we're gonna have a confirmation that our price is most likely continue to go down. Okay, so I believe what we're gonna have after the shift in market structure, let's say we're gonna have a shift in market structure like this, price take out this, we have a shift in market structure, and then once that happens, what you're gonna be looking for it's what do we have here. Okay, so you look for any institutional reference point at this level, because after a shift in market structure, price has a tendency to just retrace and then continue to go down. Okay, so price has a tendency to do something like this, retrace and then continue to go down. So what you're going to be doing is to, you can see here we have a fair value gap at this level here. So what you're going to be doing is just to look another time frame to see what you have. So I believe we're going to have a lot forming here because our price is not yet taken out this low here, which indicates a shift in market structure. But let me go to 5 minutes. So if you get to look on 5 minutes, you can see we have price pushing up, okay? And then all of a sudden we see this structure here being taken out, which all indicates that price is most likely to continue to go down, okay? So remember, we have an order block at this level here and a fair value gap. So price touched this fair value gap, okay? And then this order block, it touched this order block, and then after that it declined and then push up a little bit, okay? So instead of price taking out this, it's failing to take out this. Immediately what it does, it forms a low and then it comes back and take out that low, okay? So that indicates a shift in market structure, that our price is most likely to continue to go down. So this indicates bearishness, okay? So it indicates that sellers have now taken control of the market. So you can see, hence this is what is happening here. So one thing that I did here when I was making the re-entry, I was looking at this when I was making the re-entry, because I caught it late as I was busy with gold. So basically this is the reason why I made my entry. So you can see here, this is the reason why I made my entry. So you can see price push down, it push up, gets to this level here, and then it push down, take out this low here, and then it push up quickly to this inefficiency here. We have a fair value gap here, and then it closed that fair value gap, and then it quickly went down. So this is the reason why I made my entry here. But I believe we still have a lot of downside coming. So I'm going to be waiting to see and monitoring what price is doing. So I believe if price gets to this level here, just if price gets to this level here, I'm not sure if price gets to this level here, I'm gonna have my SL in profit, okay? So basically I put it after 30 to 40 pips, okay? If price move 30 to 40 pips, I'm just gonna put my SL in profit. So basically that's it for this video. That's how simple it is, okay? So don't overcomplicate stuff. Just be yourself, chill out, and try to make the best out of every trade.